we're back for another hour of Mad Cat Melodies Lessons from the Void. So, hello again, and welcome, all my castaways, cast offs, orphans, and entities living in other people's attics and ceilings. Today, we're going to talk about reasons why you should ditch Discord. I don't know if we're going to get to all of these reasons today, but I know for a lot of my listeners, this is a topic very near and dear to their heart. So let's just get right into it. Maybe, possibly, the most important reason. Do I sound choppy to you guys? Anybody out there? No? I think I sound all right. Anyway, this is basically my third time hosting a meeting on Zoom, this new software that I've discovered just today, and I think it's gone exquisitely. So easy. Just turn it on, press the button, and here we are. You and I together, sharing a moment. I think I'm in for a lot less audio issues here, in this space, in this colorless area that I'm in now. But I know some people, they feel more comfortable with a little set dressing. So why don't I make you a little something here, draw you a little bit for a visual sake. Now, I know a lot of you might say, well, Mad Cat, I host a podcast. I don't need visuals. Well, that may be true when you're exporting to the masses, right? But maybe, just maybe, you might find yourself wanting to communicate something to your friends non-verbally. Say you have a list before they even come on, a list of topics that you're going to address. And you can line through them, thick black line, and then everybody's on the same page. Everybody knows, move on, don't linger. Everybody has to move on to something new at some point, explore their great wide world. You can't stay in the same comfort zone forever like a little baby kangaroo. You have to hop out of the pouch every once in a while, just like I'm going to hop out of this color. Now, sometimes there's be things that your friends, they're talking about something and you want to let their freak flag fly. You want them to express themselves, but they get into a topic that you're not so sure about. And so you can non-verbally, you can start to just say, oh, look at that. Oh, we don't want that. Not right now. Let's just push past it, right? And you can have a little secret color scheme for yourself. Like if you want to tell them, hey, maybe move it along. Maybe we got timing issues or whatever. You use a little blue. But maybe you're thinking, oh, sometime in the future, I may have to cut this out. So when I say a word that I want to cut out, let's say it's salmon, right? Who likes salmon? So every time somebody says the word salmon, you might draw a little line. So that if your friends, they always want to talk about salmon, geez, they go on and on, don't they? Then later you can come back. That specific color, you can look for when that gets drawn in the timeline and say, oh, I have to cut that out. You don't even have to tell them. This is your show. I'm just giving you tools to live your life salmon free. You know what I mean? I also feel like it's important to mention that Zoom has its very own native audio recording software. So there's no needing to download or upgrade to any bots or apps or any third-party ickiness. All right. It's just simple. You turn it on, you turn it off, you go on about your day. I know you guys have a lot of things to do. So why don't we, there's another reason too. And this is very personal, but I think, haven't you guys noticed how all the cool people are using Discord? Have you guys noticed that? I've noticed that. And I don't think, you shouldn't let the cool people win, right? They've been bullies. They've kicked people around, and they should be punished for it. Punish them by coming over to Zoom. Zoom, not surprisingly, is our sponsor for this evening. Zoom, where you go quickly. Zoom. That's where that word comes from Zoom, and also the beloved uh, DC character Zoom. I think his name was just Zoom and not Captain Zoom. Anyway, thank you for spending some time with me. Now you can slink back into your cozy little shadowy places, and I'll see you next week when we talk about socks. Socks. Why? Really?